economics benefit of the cloud. So I defined it in two way, like economic of scale. Economies of scale is the ability to reduce cost and gain efficiency when operating at a larger scale in comparison to operating at a small scale. The example of this one, if you know, like the cloud provider, how they can give these resources what we are getting as a service at the cheaper cost. When we will go alone, like for our on-prem infrastructure, we get the same service at a higher cost. The reason is they go with a larger scale. They purchase the hardware, they have build the big data centers. So what they can do, they make their own infrastructure big, and then they share their infrastructure with us. So that's why they are just sharing. When they will go with a larger scale, they will get big discount on that one, so they will get at the cheaper price. If we will go for us individually, then we will get the same hardware at the higher cost, because we will purchase the limited amount, right? So that is the economies of scale. So whenever they will ask, they can ask in the question what are the benefits of the cloud. In that one I found this option, that's why I explain it here. Next is consumption based model. What exactly it is? It's allow end users only to pay for the resources that they use it. So here, that's why we move to the cloud there here, because here we just need to pay for what we are using. We no need to spend extra on that one, right? So that's why it's a consumption based model. Cloud is also known as consumption based model. So, what is the benefit with doing this consumption based model? That we no need to spend anything upfront, we no need to purchase or manage the costly infrastructure. We just need to pay for the additional resource whenever we need to do add it, right? Whenever we need it, or we can stop paying the for the resources which is no longer required. But in our on-prem infrastructure, we need to follow all the decommission process and all. But here we no need to think about that one, that what we will do after the decommissioning of that hardware server and all. Here we don't no need it, we just remove it.